So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas, and today I decided I am going to take some pictures with my Golf. Gonna do some shoots, gonna drive to a few potential locations I wanna be shooting at. Gonna shoot some videos, some photos, because this is probably one of the last days the car will be as it is, because I'm starting to wide body it this week. So I hope you're excited for that. If you want to join in, please go down below and click the subscribe button so you get a notification when I upload a new video, and you can follow along when I'm wide bodying this car. So let's go on to the rest of the video, drive to the first location, and I will see you again when I get there. So I'm approaching my second shooting location. The first one didn't turn out to be that great for shooting. There was also people working there, so I couldn't go through with it. But now on to the second one, and hopefully that one goes a lot better.
Warrior.
So I finally reached my next spot. As you can see, it was a real hassle to get up here. I'll add the sound in the video so you can hear the car scraping. Maybe, well, let's go take a quick look at the scrape marks I made here in the parking lot. It wasn't pretty. It really wasn't pretty. So this is the ramp I came up on, and that's where the car hit. Got the rope here, I'm happy. Gonna take a few shots, and next I'm gonna go to a shot which is actually a bit closer to my house. Bit rainy out, but it's okay. Got these nice old buildings here, some industrial sightings, tower in the back, nice by the water. So I got a few options here to put the car and to set things up, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's the first position I'm gonna be in. I think I will probably set the car up in the corner there to get a nice shot with the silo in the back, maybe with the overhang here, and a few shots with the water. was the last location of today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're also as stoked as me about the wide body kit going on. So be sure to go subscribe right below the video and hit the notification bell right next to it. Also, if you like my videos, be sure to leave a like and drop a comment if you want to say anything to me, and if you have any questions, you can also put them in. But for now, this is the end of the video. See you in the next one. I'm out.